Hello friends, I'm Neha Verma, a child psychologist, and I've been practicing for almost 20 years. Over a period of time, I've seen a lot of change in parenting practices, some positive, some negative. I won't say bad here, as no parent wants to harm or do wrong to one's child. But in our efforts to make our children stand out and shine, we often smother them and curb their self-learning and self-expression. We give them the mantra for success and pave the path for them, but we forget to teach them how to handle failures and challenges. A quick reminder here, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected. One of the most important character traits that children need is resilience. It is the ability to bounce back from a difficult situation, the ability to navigate through highs and lows of life without feeling devastated. This lockdown and the COVID-19 situation has been successfully handled by us due to our resilience. Those who lack it got into depression, anxiety, and frustration, or even worse. So, I'm here to list out a few simple and easy ways to help your kids develop resilience. The first one, help children to understand their emotions. When asked, "How are you?" most children automatically reply, "I'm fine." Children hardly ever discuss emotions. They should know when they are happy, sad, angry, upset, frustrated, or simply bored. Only when they understand their emotions can they learn to regulate it. Next time your child is upset, don't say, "It's okay, you're fine." This makes children feel it's not okay to be upset or angry. So tell them, "It's okay if you're angry. Let's talk about it. I'm here for you." The second thing to teach is empathy. Children should be encouraged to listen to their friends. Whenever there is a fight, ask children to put forth their point of view and then discuss the other person's perspective. Gradually, teach children to think from other person's point of view. This helps children to read others' emotions and respond accordingly. It reduces stress and fosters resilience. Point number 3. Teach problem solving to children. Every time your child faces a difficulty, don't solve it for them. This applies to simple things too, like buttoning. Often, to save time, or because we think children are too young, we don't let them experiment. If a child wants to button or lace up shoes, help once or twice and encourage them to do it on their own. Same goes for schoolwork or practice worksheets. I've often seen parents solve it, dictate solutions to children so that they don't do it wrong or fail. Instead, let the child try it. Praise the effort. If it's done correctly, great. If not, ask, "Would you like me to help you?" This will teach children to face the obstacle with confidence and also reach out if they need help. This is resilience. Asking for help is positive. It's an essential trait for a strong mental character. Point 4. Teach them to accept alternates. Sometimes children are quite independent and want to do activities beyond their age. Let them experiment. In case it's too difficult, like a 4-year-old wanting to read a Harry Potter just because a sibling or cousin is reading it, then suggest an alternate. Never say, it's too hard for you, or you can't do it. Instead, direct attention towards age-appropriate book and say, let's read this first. Your brother did the same. So a child wanting to emulate a sibling can continue to do so, but also learns to accept alternates in life. They'll grow up to be more flexible and willing to change. They'll learn to look for alternates rather than give up. That's resilience. The fifth thing, break down goals. Sometimes a goal or a target may be too daunting for a child. It's a good idea to break goals into smaller tasks. This makes achieving results easier and builds motivation. For example, a child has to write counting up to 100. For children not yet willing to write, this is a monstrous task. So break into groups of 20. They write 1 to 20 and take a break. Then 21 to 40 and so on. This encourages a child to never give up and to modify things to suit his skill level. The last point I'd like to take up is to allow risk taking. Often we are overprotective about our children. One of our favorite instruction is, be careful, don't do it. This gives children the idea that the world is an unsafe place and all new things are scary. Rather, when a child is trying something risky, stand close to him or her. That way, you can help immediately, but you also give the child the ability to reason and determine if a situation is safe or unsafe. Is it worth taking a risk? This, again, builds resilience. Finally, teach children to work as a team. That's essential. Also, they should have a hobby that allows them to relax and unwind. Meditation, music, reading, craft, cooking, anything works. So let's get our children future ready. Let's teach them that change is the only constant in life. Let's make them resilient. Let's help them to be mentally strong and to deal with pressures of life. Do share your feedback on this in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Happy parenting!